Hello members, welcome back here to another tutorial. Remember, I'm Julius Kawalya taking you through these tutorials, and this time we're going to be looking at product. Product is a function in Excel which is used to multiply. Still, remember, in our last lesson we learned about multiplication, but that time we were using what they call operators. The operator which we used was called the asterisk or the star. But there is a function in Excel which can automatically do or still perform a multiplication. So let us give it a try and you see how it works. I think you can see the formula below. This is how I mean the function. This is how it looks like. So this time we are still going to use our sheet, which is div. We're going to use div, and we want to use this time product to see if we still get the right answers. So the formula will run as this. We shall say equals, then we enter in the function name, which is product. Let us open up brackets. When we open up brackets, we put in the range which we want it to work upon. So this time this is my range, f up to here. Have you got me? Then I close my brackets. Then I hit enter. I think we're getting the same answers. We're getting the same answers. Let us try to do it one more time. I'll say equals, then I say product. I open my brackets. Where am I starting from this time? Starting from here up to here. Then I close, then I put enter. Yeah, still I'm getting the right thing. So let us try it with the first one that we used. I'll say, let me try to copy this number of drinks. Then I'll say this time equals this one times this one. Enter. I'm still getting the right answer. Are you saying? So this is product, and this is the one with the operator that we used in the last session. So both can give us the right answer. It depends on how you're going to use it. So when I go back here under my product, I'll just autofill and I still get the answers. Still, if I autofill here, I think I'm getting the same answers. They're the similar answers from here. This is, I think when you look here, you note this one here, that it is M. Let me copy this formula here and I try to paste it here. Let me copy this. Copy. So let me try to paste it here a bit bigger. Merge and center. So let me make this one so that we can see this formula very, very well. Then I say Ctrl V. So I think you see my formula here. That is product. That's what we have used for this one here. To get these answers, we have used this product here. So thanks for watching. Hope you learned, and hope you're getting everything as we're teaching it. Thanks for watching. Watch more.